Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, this is the 8th part of GRE vocabulary high frequency word. So now we'll move on to the content of this video. Before that, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel so that you will not miss the video of upcoming parts, and hit the bell icon so that you will get notification of each upload of upcoming videos. So now we'll move on to the content. Our first word is indifferent, and it is an adjective. The meaning of this word is the lack of interest for anything, like for food or for activities. So the synonyms are apathetic, disinterested, unconcerned, uninterested. And guys, the synonyms which I share here are totally relevant to the GRE, so don't neglect and understand it very well and read the synonyms. Move on to the example. She is indifferent to the suffering of other. That means she has no interest on the suffering of others. She is unconcerned about the suffering of others. See here, I share the picture of a child. He is not interested to eat the vegetables. So move on to the sentences. The first sentence is Bob's reaction was somewhat indifferent. She was a pretty good player. Holinan say that Bob's reaction was disinterested, unconcerned, but he was a good player. So move on to the second sentence. The good, the indifferent, and the demanding do not produce a cacophony. So that means a good one and uninterested and demanding peoples do not produce a cacophony. Cacophony means a noise, quarrel that going to disturb others. So move on to the third sentence. The political, business and healthcare system of our great country need to stop being indifferent to black lives. That means the political, the business field and the healthcare system of our country need to stop for being apathetic to the black lives. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. I give a 10-second pause for these sentences, 5 sentences, and we can continue for the next word. So now move on to the next word. Our next word is relegate. It is an verb, and the meaning of this word is assigned to a lower position or reduce in rank. That we also called demotion. Reduce the ranking of someone from higher to the lower. And see here the synonyms. Synonyms are demote, lower, downgrade, and the antonyms are elevate, promote, upgrade. So these are the synonyms and antonyms. Move on to the example. He was relegated to a junior position after doing mistake third time. That means he was banished to the lower position or downgrade to the junior position after doing the mistake third time. So see here picture that I share. A high authority person relegate employees. So move on to the sentences. First sentence is he claimed that he was relegated to a lower position because he disagreed with the administration's plan. That means he claiming that he was downgraded to a lower position because he disagreed with the administration plan. So move on to the second sentence. No teams will be relegated, but the top 2 from the second division will be promoted. That means the no team will be downgraded, but the top 2 from the second division will be get promotion, that they will get promoted. So move on to the third sentence. Those who are relegated may well sue the rest of us. This means those who are downgraded, they may file a case to the rest of us. Sue means filing a case against someone legally. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So these are the 5 more sentences. So move on to the next word. So our next word is elicite. Elicite is a verb, and that means draw out, that is answer, reaction or fact from someone. That means take out response from the someone. That may be answer, reaction or fact or information about anything. And the synonyms are deduce, obtain, take out, extract. So example is the policeman tried to elicit information about the robbery from the witness. So the policeman trying to take out answer or information about the robbery from the witness people. See the picture how a hacker is collecting information and from someone. So move on to the sentences. First sentence is according to the biomedical journal, the ancient Greek were the first to think that shaking the human body would elicit faster healing. That means that according to the biomedical journal, the ancient Greek was the first to think that when the human body is shaking, then it will fastly recover, heal the body's problem. So move on to the second sentence. She is suited to asking the tough question in a manner that elicits powerful answer. And that means she is able to asking the tough question in a manner that take out the powerful answer from the peoples. So move on to the third sentence. In their phase 1 study, the vaccine elicited an immune response in 108 peoples. That means in phase 1 study, the vaccine take out a reaction of the immune system in 108 peoples. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So now move on to the next word. So our next word is the erudite. Erudite is an adjective and the meaning of this word is having or showing the great knowledge or learning. And that means someone is reading too much, taking a knowledge too much or learning too much. So that is an erudite. We also called a scholar for the erudite. See the synonyms: scholarly, learn, knowledgeable. So move on to the example. Ken could turn any conversation into an erudite discussion. That means Ken can easily convert any normal conversation into the knowledgeable discussion. So see here a picture how a man is reading book. So move on to the sentences. The first sentence is the book is deeply erudite, filled with examples from history and illuminating quotation from politician and poet. That means the book is deeply knowledgeable, filled with example from history, illuminating quotation from politician and also from poets. So move on to the second sentence. Dr. Shirley is a wealthy, erudite dandy, a master of his art. And that means that Dr. Shirley is a rich, erudite, knowledgeable, excellent looking person, that master of his art. So move on to the third sentence. Mizrahi described his mother Sarah, erudite and a devotee of high fashion. And that means Mizrahi described that his mother Sarah is an knowledgeable and also a devotee, means a supporter of high fashion. So move on to the 5 more sentences. So now move on to our last word for this video, and that is permeate. And the permeate is verb, and the meaning of this word is to spread through something. That means to penetrate it, scatter and present everywhere at a time. The synonyms are pervade, penetrate, diffuse. Move on to the example. The smell of baking bread permeated the kitchen. That means the smell of baking bread scattered or spread through the kitchen. So see here a picture how a sunlight is permeate through a tree and present everywhere. Move on to the sentences. The first sentence is, as a United Nations family, a culture of human right must permeate all we do. That means as a United Nations family, the human right must be spread that we all do. So move on to the second sentence. She said, I think politics permeate crisis. That means she said the politics can spread the crisis, the problem. So move on to the third sentence. He paused at the doorway. The smell of paint, plaster and glue permeated the air. That means he stopped at the doorway. That the smell of paint, plaster and glue are spreading through the air. So move on to the 5 more sentences under this word. So guys, this was only for today. We'll continue for the next part. Till then, goodbye, take care, and don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you will not miss the update of upcoming videos and hit the bell icon. If you found it is helpful, please like our video and share it to the relevant person or group. Thank you guys so much for watching our video, and please subscribe our channel, like and share this video, and please support us. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye, take care.